Hello friends and followers, welcome back to my channel. Today we will talk about different performances that are available in our city nowadays. My favorite type of performance is musical. I really love going to the theater or to the concert hall to watch it. Musicals usually combine many things. It's a play and a concert and a dancing performance. My favorite musical is The Phantom of the Opera. The music was written by Andrew Lloyd Webber. Some of the songs from this musical are known all over the world. Aisle – проход между рядами. Balcony – балкон. Ballet – балет. Booked – зарезервированный, забронированный. Curtain – занавес. Empty – пустой. Fully – полностью. Further – дальше. Music concert – музыкальный концерт. Opera – опера. Orchestra – оркестр. Performance – представление. Play – пьеса. Row – ряд. Seat – место. Stalls – партер. Surroundings – обстановка, место. Usher – билетер, сопровождающий. Be about to – собираться, намереваться. Oh my goodness – боже мой. A one-hit wonder – певец-однодневка. Be hard of hearing – плохо слышать. Sell like hotcakes – быть нарасхват. Stage – сцена. Can't see a thing – ничего не видно.